Alright, I got my monster truck here. Noah's got his sick motorcycle.
It is a snake motorcycle.
We're using our toys to pull weeds. Actually, they're gonna spot the weeds for us. And then we are gonna pull the weeds.
Watch me, you little screwdriver.
Oh, you went right over one. Got one.
You got really good eyes. I can spot little ones.
Oh, you spotted one.
I got so good eyes. I can spot little ones.
Dang, where's those motorcycles' eyes? I don't even see them.
They're right here.
Right on the front.
Yeah, they're hiding.
Okay. Oh. I think I see one. He's going. He's got one. Pull it from the root. You always want to make sure. See, that's a bad pull. I didn't pull it good. Broke off. Now the weed's going to grow back. Okay. Oh. I think he's got one. Oh, monster truck got one too. What do I got? Mine's a Hot Wheels monster truck called Wild Streak. I don't know what kind of motorcycle this is, but...
A snake motorcycle.
Snake motorcycle.
Yeah.
Mine finds the most weeds though. Right there, another one.
I find lots of weeds.
Get in. Yes!
I got really good eyes. I can spot.
You do need good eyes because a lot of the times the weeds blend in or hide in the rocks. These ones are kind of open right here because there's not much rocks in that spot. Now pull them out. Well, that's a different kind of weed. What were you going to say, sir? Sir Noah.
I can find
Yes.
one right here.
And there's one right next to you, that Wild Streak we're going to pull.
I got that one for you.
Oh, good root. Show me that one.
I can pull weeds with my mouth.
Oh. He just pulled that straight with his mouth.
Yes. And I can bite on it really hard and get off of me.
Okay, let's cruise on over to the next spot. Oh, you got one?
Good one.
Good vision. Oh, I got one right here.
I got that one for you.
Thank you. See, that's another bad pull. Didn't get from the root.
I found another one right here.
Good. Yep, me too. You get a good, bad. That's a good one though. We might need a bucket, huh? Should we get a bucket to collect the weeds, or?
Okay.
Let's go find a bucket. All right.
I can even fly too.
It flies?
This one.
Mine flies faster. Alright, my monster truck can't fly, but we need a bucket for our weeds. So we're not just throwing them everywhere. We want to collect them and dispose them or burn them or get rid of them somehow. Alright, where's the bucket? There we go, that'll be perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, so we chose to use the wagon instead for our weeds, and Noah has some tools in there. Can it fit? Yes, it can.
Over here, I can quite use it out of really breaking.
Perfect. That was a good grab. These are the weeds we must have pulled the other day. Left them out. Look how dry they get and flaky. Ugh. That's why we gotta throw them in a wagon, then we'll dump them in the alley later. Okay, back to picking.
Those are really yummy.
I wanna smell it too.
I thought they were really yummy.
That flower smells so good. Guys, you gotta smell flowers. Sometimes you just gotta stop and smell the roses, you know? Even though these aren't roses, it actually smells really good.
I'm serious. These are...
They smell amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did not expect that. They actually smell very, very nice. Okay, off we go. Stuck on the hose. Okay. Got another one.
Wait it right out.
Toss that in there. Oh. A couple bad pulls on my part, but I'm rusty. Oh, dude. I see a big one. I'm coming up on a big one. Noah's going past it. That's a pretty good size one right there. What do you think? You can get it? Oh, it's got it. It's so big I gotta carry it on his back. Dump it in, dump it in.
There's some weird
Even right here. I'll follow you next, Noah. Okay. Put him in the back. That looks different than all the other ones. I wonder if it's some sort of plant. Pull it. You can pull it though. Is it hard to pull? We need 2 trucks. Monster truck and this one to pull.
bad.
Bad pull.
Let's go try
You
to
can
go.
see that root still hanging on there. Got it. I saved it for you, Noah. Got the rest of it.
It's a stick root.
Oh yeah, you see it's a different kind of interesting. It's not a typical weed, huh?
It's a stick root.
Stick root, huh?
I know that.
You know that.
Where's my weed I pulled?
I just threw it in for you. I thought you left it behind on purpose. Or if you forgot about it, I mean. Dude. Look, you think you can get that big one?
I don't think so.
Dude, we think you can. Let's try to get that one. Even though it's not in our yard technically, it's annoying to see. Because when I take you strolling at night, I always see it. I want to pull it. So now's the chance. Look how big it is compared to my truck. That weed's huge. I'm trapped. I need help. I need help. I'm stuck in the weed. Help me, Noah.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm gonna wrap down this web right here. Oh.
Oh, I definitely can. I got 4 wheels.
I just did that. Now watch. Now?
Dude, I wonder if I can ramp up it. Ready? Alright. Let's see if I can at least pull part of this out. Okay. I knew I wasn't going to get that one by the root, but it's alright. Load it up. He's loaded up. Okay. Noah's going to the park with his friends right now. So he's done pulling weeds, but I know it's silly, but sometimes you gotta bring out little trucks and cars and motorcycles or whatever to make pulling weeds interesting and fun. And now when I said, hey, let's go pull weeds, immediately he was like, oh, let me grab my motorcycle. I need my motorcycle to pull weeds. This makes it more fun. He's gonna act like those motorcycles pulling weeds instead of himself. And we're being outside, we're getting sunlight on our skin, we're being active, and we're doing something that, you know, we're accomplishing something. We're working hard to clean our yard. So sometimes you gotta be creative. The kids end up enjoying it and loving it too, man. I've had them out here pulling weeds with me in the dark sometimes with lanterns and flashlights. It's just, you can make any mundane thing interesting with kids. So anyway, we're the Barefoot Boys. That was Noah and Derek.